Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a cute ice cream cup or ice cream bowl. So let's start. First of all, I am drawing the bowl. So this is our bowl. Now I will make a cute face of bowl. Okay, now we'll draw ice cream scoops. This is our first scoop. The second, and now the third one. Now a wafer by the side. Now we'll draw faces of the scoops. This is our wafer. Okay. Now I will use black sketch pen. So our black outline is complete. Now I will use fancy colors to color it. One scoop. I am using pink color. Isn't it looking cute? Yes, it's so cute and tempting. In another scoop, I am going to use purple color. Now I'm gonna use yellow color in third scoop. It's done. Now I'm using dark pink color in ice cream bowl. Now I will use brown color in wafer. I'm using black pencil color in eyes. And in mouth also. and I will use red sketch to make the cheeks. So our cute ice cream bowl is ready to eat. Isn't it looking so tempting and cute? So friends, if you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment and share, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.